Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of WhatsApp and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of WhatsApp. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.